Alright guys, today on the Life is Good Today channel, we are going to be, well, taste testing some Javy coffee concentrate. Now, I'm not a coffee drinker myself, so we're going to let Miss Alma do all the taste testing, alright? Javy.
Hey guys, I used to be a huge coffee connoisseur. I ground my own beans, I worked night shift, I drunk coffee all the time. Now, not so much, but I do like a good cup of iced coffee in the mornings at work. So, Ronnie, okay, so what we've got here is Javy concentrated coffee. So we're gonna make a cup of iced coffee like I do at work. Now, cold coffee is difficult because, you know, when you brew it, it's hot, it melts all your ice. So I was kind of interested in this stuff because it's not hot, so it's not going to melt my ice. So the directions call for 1 to 2 teaspoons. And this is the second time I've made this. The first time I did 2 teaspoons. That's 1. Oop, I dribbled. That's 2, and I'm going to do a third. Okay. I'm going to clean up my mess because I'm in a mess. You see how concentrated this stuff is. But I'm going to put the water in it and show you. And like I said, this is 3. I only did 2 the first time, and 2 was enough. But I do like strong coffee. I am going to put in some sweetener. I usually use Splenda at work. This is stevia. The good thing about the artificial sweetener, which I know it's not good for you, but it melts good, whereas sugar does not melt so well in cold beverages. I've always liked cream and sugar in my coffee, so that is 3 packs. Now you can see that's pretty dark, which that's how I like my coffee at least. Now I'm going to put in some half and half. And I like my coffee like a caramel color. I do think we'll put in 1 more. I put 3 in last time, but like I said, I used more coffee this time. Make sure my sugar's mixed up. Gotta have a straw with cold coffee. That's pretty good. I mean, that's a lot quicker than going to Dunkin' Donuts. Pretty good iced coffee.
Alright guys, there you have it. Javy coffee. Good?
It was good.
Good.
I like it.
Quick?
Yep, pretty much.
Quick. So definitely.
And easy.
Easy. Thumbs up.
The only tip I would give Javy would be to put it in an easier pour bottle, because this was kind of messy, and we don't like messy.
We don't like messy.
Yeah, I think you could have like a, maybe a pour spout or something.